4, I make a 5, I make a 6. I typically put all the makes together. Some other people, what's his name? Amu goes ahead and does make 4, buy 4, make 5, buy 6, same crap. He just does it differently. You with me? Same stuff. You with me? And here my goal over here, this is number of units. Okay, and now over here I click on home, and now I click on this red dude, the yellow dude, and now I got a cost per unit. And my goal is, because I want to be capitalist, I want to minimize what? My cost. So I'm going to minimize my sum product of the yellow dudes by the cost dudes. Teacher, you didn't pull in the cost dudes. So this is, I think, $17.
Yeah.
Yes?
19.
19. Next.
23.
Next.
2040.
2040. Next.
2185.
2185.
2576.
2576. Revolve it. Now, I like doing this just because I like it by justified. Okay, now I have my constraints. So here I got my sum product. Give me a second, I gotta put my check. Give me a second. Okay, I'm lazy. Now, here's my constraints. Now, I have the order of the 4, the order of the 5, the order of the 6. So far, so good. Now I got my fabric hours, and I got my inspection hours, okay? And what else? I need to have my 60% M4, 60% M5, 60% M6. Does this make sense? Yes or no? Alright, and now I know that this guy is going to be equals. Notice I type in an equal with a quote, because when you try to do equal without a quote, sometimes it bites you and it wants you to put something in there and have patience. This is 2,000, this is 3,750, this is how much? 1,700. This is less than or equal to 16,500. This is less than or equal to what? 1,600. Now this guy is going to be greater than or equal. Now watch me, I'm going to do a little trick now. You have to watch me, it's a little trick. I say equal 0.6 times 2,000. See I did that, J5? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Now, that's 1,200. If I copy it and I paste it, look, I press F2 over here. This is 0.6 of this, 0.6 of that, correct? And what do you got to do now? Well, I got to fill in some numbers. So, notice, watch this. Let me just put in my sum product, because I want to show you something, a cute thing. Now watch. Now watch. If I'm ordering the 4, if I make 50 of these, and I buy 25 of these, okay? And I have a 1 over here and a 1 over here. He tells me I only have 75 units. Take a look, I press F2. So notice, because I'm only talking about 4s, I only put 1s in the things that have a 4. Okay? Now, when I'm talking about 5s, what do? Only put a 1 in the things that are talking about what? 6s. Now, in terms of making something, that's when I have to expend fabrication. I don't remember these numbers. I remember this guy is 0.3. This guy was not 0.5. The first guy was what? 0.25. This guy's 0.3. This guy's 0.45. I'm trying to remember what these were.
2.5.
2.5.
3.4.
3.4. 3.8. And now, making the 4, I only talking about 4, making a 4. Notice, because I'm talking about I need 60% of make 4, I put a 1 here. Everything else on that row is what? 0. making a 5, everything else on the row is 0 except for the 1 there. You got it? Notice what you're doing here is teaching yourself to work in columns and in rows. And now, of course, you have to take our good old buddy who? And solver. And now you click on min cost. Notice you got to click on this guy min. See min? Okay, I got a lot of students who send me homework that doesn't work. So you click on min. Okay? Now over here I click on add, and I'm going to first go running across over here. And I'm going to click on what? Int. Integer. Then I'm going to click on add. Oh, shut up. Then I'm going to take these 3 guys that are what? Equals. Because I was clever, I tried to keep all the signs in the same place. Because I'm lazy. And you know that. Okay? Now, before you have a heart attack, here, look at what you see over here. It's going to be a heart. Okay? Now watch. This says B2 to G2 is integer. You see where I'm pointing with the mouse? Mm-hmm. You see the guy? Integer. So I want all the variables to be integers. I don't want a half a vowel, a quarter of a vowel. This says row 10 to 12 has to be bigger than the other side of 10 to 12. Now I got to find, here's 10 to 12. 10, 11, 12. Bigger than. That's good. Here it's equal sign. Click on this is equal. 5, 6, and 7. These got to be equal. No problem. This got to be less than. Sounds good. And I click on solve A, and he says he found me a solution. So now, based on this solution, how much is my cost? How much am I going to have to spend money? How much money do I have to shell out? That's correct. And now you will ask on the exam, if I give you a fill-in like this, which will be 10 of that, you will just put in the number. Okay? Now, how many 4s do you make? 1864. How many do you buy? 136. How many 5s? You make 2255s, and how much do you buy? 1500. 6s, you make 1020, and you buy how much? 16. Now, if you want to do analysis as a thought, why am I making so many 4s? Well, it's simple. What's the difference in cost between making it and buying it? It's $3.40, correct? What's the difference in cost between making a 5 and buying a 5? Only $2.85. And what's the difference between making a 6 and buying a 6?
2 cents.
So therefore, where am I going to pay the biggest penalty if I buy? I pay the biggest penalty on the 4. Hence, I make as much 4 as humanly possible. Minor data analysis. Difference in cost between making and buying. Okay? That's why this thing happened. Now you're going to say to me, why did he pick this? I don't know idea. He tried all the possible combinations. Because this is Excel. So all he does is try all the combinations in the world. Alright. Now, I'm not doing 3-8 because 3-8 is really very painful. Because there's a lot of variables and I